So our next challenge is to be able to have younger blood, the younger officers, to also be active in this activity. Let's not leave it to the senior ones. Hindi naman po nakukuha sa seniority ito. Diba? So there's no reason why we cannot have the president who's much younger, who's more energetic, who can exert more effort to spread the word and to get the cooperation of all ship captains and masters to join us, because we are going to be the driving force. Diba? Saan pa ba manggagaling yung utos? Nasa barko kayo. Saan galing yung utos? Sa kapitan. Diba? So there. With your cooperation, with your help, let's get the junior officers that build them up. Let's make sure that they maintain and attain the standard that we all started when you were captains, and so that the industry will continue. Ang issue ngayon ay parang kumukonti na yung mga Filipino crew. I think you all can see that. We're exerting effort to keep continuing to continue convincing our principals to continue getting Filipino officers, and that has been a continuing effort for us in the union, so that tuloy-tuloy po yung hiring ng Filipino seafarers. I'd like to remind you, yung ibang mga customers natin, mga principals natin, they're establishing schools in South Africa, they're establishing schools of course in Indonesia, matagal na to, and they're continuing to raise their standard. Hindi po tayo mapapaiwan. So, and where will that be? That will rely now on the masters who are here, either afloat or ashore, who will be convincing, training, developing our younger officers to become shipmasters and efficient shipmasters like you. So this is my message to all of you. It's all a combined effort. Lahat tayo kailangan gawin ito, because the future of Filipino seafaring will really depend on you, each and every one of you, in every opportunity or in every position or every occupation that you have. All I request is keep encouraging younger people to come to join. Make sure that they become as excellent as you are. Maintain the standards, so that's going to be infectious. Kumakalat po yan. Pag nakita kasi ng iba na ibang kumpanya na Pilipino ito, ang galing ah. Yeah, so certainly they'll be getting more. And that's the reason why my inspirational talk for tonight is for you to be inspired, to continue developing your junior officers, convince them to continue to go aboard ship, not only to be aboard ship, but to be a master, okay? A sailing master. Marami po sa atin ngayon, I was just discussing this earlier, we have so many licensed masters. Bilangan lang, ang dami. Ilan ba talaga yung nag-acto dyan? Okay. Umaatras na. Turo na lang ako. Or else, na ako sa manning agent ko. Crewing manager na lang ako. So, it's up to you, ship captains, to be able to convince your junior officers, those below you, those that you know, convince them to continue aspiring to be masters, because that is the best reward that you can ever give to them, the fact that they're able to command ships. So I hope that this will continue, and I'd like all of you to rest assured that AMOSUP will always be here to support whatever activity you have.